Welcome back to Road Hunter PK. What if I told you Kawasaki has created a machine that carries the pure, unfiltered spirit of the legendary Z family, but with a completely new attitude for the modern rider? A motorcycle designed for those who don't just want transportation from point A to point B, but a machine that creates a core memory every single time they twist the throttle. Because let's be honest, replacing a legendary name like the Z1000 is not an easy task. The Z1000 wasn't just another naked bike in the market. It was an absolute icon representing raw character, sharp, unapologetic styling, and that pure, unrefined connection between rider and machine. So when whispers began spreading about the next evolution of Kawasaki's famous Z lineup, one single question immediately took over every motorcycle forum. Can Kawasaki really build something that lives up to that legendary name? Or will they play it safe? And that's exactly where the 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 enters the story. At first glance, you don't even need to hear the engine to understand that this motorcycle was not designed to blend into the crowd. Look at it closely for just a second with its razor-sharp front lighting, wide muscular fuel tank, and aggressive forward-leaning Street Fighter stance. Every single line on this bike feels like it was sculpted with one exact purpose: to make the motorcycle look and feel alive before it even moves. Some motorcycles only look fast when they're screaming down a track, but the Z1100 looks fast while sitting completely still on its side. Stand. And that emotional connection is something pure spec sheet numbers can never fully explain. A true motorcycle experience is never just about peak horsepower figures or technical torque curves on a chart. It's about the emotional feeling you get when you walk into your garage early in the morning and see your bike waiting in the dark. And it's about that exact split second when you pull on your helmet, slide your gloves on, press the starter button, and listen to the engine wake up the entire neighborhood. Now, close your eyes and imagine this. It's 6 o'clock on a cool, crisp Sunday morning. The city lights are just fading. The streets are completely empty, and the sun is slowly rising over the horizon, casting long shadows across the road. You walk toward the Z1100. Throw one leg over the bike. Your hands grip the wide handlebars. And as you press the starter switch, the engine comes alive with that deep, mechanical character that Kawasaki riders have loved for generations. It isn't just noise or vibration. It's a mechanical reminder that you are about to experience something truly extraordinary. Then you roll open the throttle, and suddenly the empty road ahead feels completely different. The motorcycle doesn't just accelerate. It surges forward with effortless confidence, encouraging you to explore every single corner, every open straightaway, and every empty highway mile ahead. This is where Kawasaki's design philosophy becomes crystal clear. The goal was never just to chase crazy, unusable horsepower numbers for bragging rights, but to create a machine that makes every single ride feel unforgettable, a bike that can comfortably handle the daily commute through traffic during the week and instantly transform into an adrenaline-pumping beast when the weekend arrives. But here's where things get really interesting. And this is the part almost nobody is talking about yet. Because the biggest story about the 2026 Z1100 isn't only about its sharp visual design, but about how Kawasaki has refined the entire riding experience behind the scenes through an upgraded chassis that balances raw brutal power with absolute rider control, modern rider assist that works silently in the background, and refined ergonomics that let you push hard on twisty roads without wrecking your wrists. It is that exact connection, the bridge between man and machine, that creates a legend. So we arrive back at the biggest question on everyone's mind. Has Kawasaki finally built the ultimate modern naked beast we've all been waiting for? Or will it forever live in the massive shadow of the original Z1000? We're just getting started with this beast, and in our upcoming breakdown, we will be diving deep into the real-world performance, the exhaust sound test, and the secret features that could make this bike a massive success story. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned to Road Hunter PK.